Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very nice prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1976 Kawasaki KH400 Mach II, and this one can be won on our website, the Classic Competition Company. Tickets for this one are £2.99, and the date this one will be drawn is the 29th of March 2026. So like I said, we've got a 1976 Kawasaki KH400 Mach II in fully restored condition in this lovely electric blue. This color blue was a Japanese only color. I don't think this is the color. It might have left the factory. Someone's restored it and they obviously really like this color, and we do too. Really stands out. You got the Higgspeed silencers on there, so it makes a really nice crackling noise. Got stainless steel rims and spokes. Yeah, so all fully restored, so top condition. We started it about 3 hours ago, so it is cold. So I took you through the starting procedure. We've got our ignition key here, needs to be on. We've got a choke here that you have to hold over with your thumb. If you let go, it'll just spring back. And on this side, you've got your petrol tap. No ticklers like the British bikes we do. Now wait for the fuel to go through. I'll give it a little kick, make some noise. Are you alright? Sorry, I'm going to disturb the piece a bit. Is that alright? Not for long. If it starts. There we are. Starts easily. 3 kicks. Just warm it up on the choke a bit. It's going to take a little while to warm up, so I won't rev it too much. Just let it idle about 3,000 RPM. Start revving it a bit more when it's warm. But give you a little listen to the engine. I accidentally stopped the video when I pulled the mic off me, so we've got it a little bit warm now, so we'll give it a little rev. Sounds great with those Higgspeed silencers. Like I said, the engine's still nice and smooth. But yeah, if you like your Kawasaki 2-stroke triples, this will be one you'd like to take part in. If you do enter, thank you for your support, and good luck as always. This one will be drawn on the 29th of December 2026. Tickets are £2.99. It's classiccompetitioncompany.com, so thank you.